So now let's draw the graph of q of x equals 2 to the x plus 1. So if x is 0, I'll have 2 to the 0 plus 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1, so this is really 1 plus 1, or 2. If x is 1, 2 to the first plus 1 is basically 2 plus 1 is 3. If x is 2, 2 squared plus 1, well 2 squared is 4, plus 1 is 5. So this becomes 2, 5. If x is 3, this becomes 2 to the third plus 1. 2 to the 3 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And we can also go in the other direction. Basically, if negative 1, 2 to the negative 1 plus 1, what the negative does is it flips that number and gives you the reciprocal. So this is really the, this is positive 1/2 plus 1. So this becomes 3/2, or 1 1/2. So if I plot these, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 9, and then negative 1 1/2, 1 1/2. So connecting the dots, it looks like what we have here is that going to the right, it's going to explode, go upwards very quickly. And the left is going to flatten out. Now this type of graph is what's called the graph of an exponential function. Exponential functions are functions that are written as a times some base to the x plus k. So x is the exponent, where a and k are real numbers and b is a positive number and not 1. Graphs of exponential functions will be approaching the horizontal on one side and going vertical, more or less approaching vertical on the other side. So in this example, you can see on the left here, it was flattening out, so approaching horizontal. And the right side is getting steeper and steeper, so it's approaching vertical on the right.